What's up guys, I'm Sean. Next mod on my BMW M4, BimmerWorld Brake Cooling Deflectors. I'm already running PFC track pads, BimmerWorld stainless steel brake lines, and high temp fluid. Instead of drilling your front bumper like the GT4 or running a brake cooling hose, which is a little bit more work and can potentially get in the way of wide tires. If you're running 295s, 315s, etc., it could rub the hose. So a cheaper and easier alternative are these BimmerWorld Brake Cooling Deflectors. Here's the front passenger side. As the wind hits that deflector, it's going to channel the air into the center of the brake rotor. And this deflector is mounted way up. It's not on the bottom arm right there. It's on the tension strut, so it doesn't get in the way of ground clearance or anything like that. And I cut some of the brake heat shield away from the rotor just to give it a little bit more cooling. Here it is mounted on the front driver's side. It's mounted on the tension strut, so no issues with ground clearance. And the idea is that the air is going to hit that plate and channel to the center of the rotor. So the install is pretty simple. It took less than an hour. It's just basically positioning the plate where you want it and installing the piece of rubber with the hose clamp. Alright guys, that's a wrap. BimmerWorld Brake Cooling Deflectors installed. Running these with my PFC brake pads, stainless steel lines, and high temp fluid. I'm going to give this a shot at the track in a few weeks. And if this setup doesn't work for you or still runs hot, then you could always upgrade to a proper big brake kit and some proper brake ducting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.